Today I'm going to show you how to cut a piece in OrcaSlicer and add connectors to it. This might come in handy if you have multiple intricate pieces or arms and legs on a model, or maybe the part you want to print is too big for your printer bed. So first thing we'll do is we will grab a file. I'm going to audio orient that. Now this is too big for my printer bed, so I'm just going to select the piece that I want to cut, come up here to the cut on the top bar, and it's going to automatically choose a spot for you to cut it. You can change that. You go up, down, you can rotate it however you need. I'm going to go ahead and just cut it right at the center. And then you'll come over here. You can click on Add Connectors, and it'll make the top half disappear. And then you can choose between different styles, prism and frustum. The frustum kind of adds a bevel to it. I'll show you the prism first. So we'll go square shape. Just choose on the model where you want your connector to be. So right here. And you can see it automatically inserts the connector for me based off of the sizes I choose over here. So you have depth, it's pretty self-explanatory, the size, how large it is, your tolerance, that's going to differ depending on your printer and how well it prints at different tolerances, how tight you want the fit to be. You can rotate it if you would like. Now if we were to choose something else, so there's hexagon, triangle, circle. I'm not going to choose circle because for this part I don't want it to be able to spin once I connect it. So we'll go to square. Let me show you the frustums. So see how it's kind of at a bevel, but same shapes. So prism, go with the square. Let's go with 10 millimeters on the depth, 20 for the size. I'm going to keep the tolerance here at 0.15. Alright, you're going to hit confirm connectors. It's going to bring the top piece back, and essentially once you perform cut, it's going to cut that connector out of the top path. So cut. Okay. Let's separate my objects here. Auto arrange. Alright, so you can see here is the connector added to the bottom piece, and here is the hole for the connector cut out of the top piece. And that's pretty much all you have to do. I'll go ahead and add a second plate because I don't want to print these together. There we go. Alright, and there you have it. You have your two pieces. All you gotta do now is just print it, test fit it, make sure everything works. And I would recommend using a little glue too if it's something you don't want to come apart. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.